Hi sisters! JK, what up little hams? Here we are today in the beautiful Whitewater, Wisconsin. Now if you weren't aware, Hannah Molitor and I share the same day of birth, which is February 20th. She is now a golden girl because she's 20. What up? Congrats Hannah. But she sent me a present for our day of birth. Now she told me to film my reaction to it via camera. Don't know what it is. It's at the front desk of my hall. It's 11 right now, and the desk opens at 12, so we'll just have to wait to retrieve it, and we're gonna see what she got me. She told me to text her if I had any questions about it, so I'm really curious to see what it is.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
Anna Holte, how would you rate your sandwich?
I haven't even taken a bite yet.
Do it right now, first reaction.
I haven't had this sandwich in so long.
Is it yummy? What is it?
The number 15.
I don't know what that is.
I like capicola, whatever.
Yeah. Herbs and Gerbs, everyone, not sponsored.
And I got chicken noodle.
Ooh, that's some good.
Just for you, the viewers, the 30-something viewers.
Well, thank you. Faithful sub, everyone, Anna Holte.
I think my parents are subscribed too, so that's cool.
Link for social media in the description below. I'm on YouTube. Oh, Anna, would you like to talk about what just happened?
So there's a false alarm. Apparently something in the kitchen went off. Fire alarm went off.
Yep.
In a sandwich outside.
It's a nice day.
Life is good, isn't it? There's a breeze, a little chilly. Like look at my legs and my chacos. It's a little cold, but not good.
That's good. Alright, so after eating some lunch and having a fire, and I can literally see you in the back. she's trying on her new swimsuit that she just got, but I have this, what is this? A bag, and I have a box from Hannah, so we'll just tear. Can I just rip this? I don't want to stab it. Also, thank you so much, Hannah, for giving me birthday presents. She's so kind. They're dachshund socks! Do you see? Oh, these are so cute! Oh my gosh! And they're neutral colors, so it'll go with all my outfits. Thank you so much! I'm obsessed with these. If you guys didn't— oh, you guys know. You've seen Anna buy socks. Here you go. Anna receives socks. Good meme. Thank you, Hannah. Alright, and now we have this boxy box. Here's our— I hope there's nothing in here that, like, can't be stabbed. That sounded so weird. I don't know how to open things. Alright. Ooh. Satisfying. Oh, this is so cute! It's a narwhal little ring holder. Oh my gosh, Hannah, you know me so well. This is seriously so cute. I love rings. I'm not wearing any right now. Also, look at how horrible my nails are. All of this came off and this one didn't. I'm not a beauty guru, guys. Like Hannah Molitor, go watch her makeup tutorial videos. They're really good. Oh, he's a little fragile guy. Oh, he's so cute. You see? You see him? He can hold rings. He's got a little styrofoam on him. That's okay. Alright. Oh, wait. There's more. I think. Yeah. What is this? What is it? Anna, come here. What is this? Is there a description?
Can you put your phone in?
Oh,
Lights. I see lights.
this is. Am I stupid? Oh, it is a light. It's a light. It's a light. Because you are the light of my life, Hannah Molitor. That's so sweet. What is this? Oh! I see! I get it now! It's a light because it lights up this dinosaur!
I have never seen anything like that.
Oh, thank you!
Dang.
Oh, wow. He almost fell out. See? And then he'll light up the night like never before. Oh my gosh, he's perfect. I can't wait to get him going. Hannah, you are a really good gift giver. That is definitely one of your talents.
Good job.
Yeah, plus I feel like you know me pretty well, so 10 out of 10. Thank you, Anna Holte, for being a part of this YouTube experience today. She's new to the community, guys, so
I'm on YouTube.
hit her up with a warm welcome, and maybe we'll be my collab.
Oh! Hey.
Hey.
I'm gonna be on YouTube.
Alright,
Experience, guys. I love you all. Maybe we'll start up a vlogging channel.
yeah, maybe.
Oh my gosh, roommates Anna and Anna start vlogging? Girl, we got to.
We got to. It's good. Alright, thank you, Hannah. Like and subscribe to Little Hams. Hope you enjoy this unboxing video
What was your
today.
kiss? Give me a
I thought you were talking about me and you. Oh, that was
Oh.
cute. Cute. Alright, bye
kiss.
guys.
Your boyfriend.
It's. He's not even real. Bye. Whoa. Look at that guy. I think he does.